Hello, welcome to week one, day two for your math class. You wake up, you're in Google Classroom, you see this. I want you to click into the classwork section, and you'll see that we have week one, two ready to go. You can click on it. And then in this assignment section is just kind of where you're going to find everything. So you can print this water park task one and two off. We have graph paper here if you want it. This video explains what to do for the water park task one and two. And at the end of that video, there's a tutorial on how to use Desmos to do the water park project if you want to. This video will cover how to use GeoGebra to do the water park tasks, again, if you'd like to. So you have three options. You can use graph paper, GeoGebra, and Desmos. And again, Desmos is at the end of this video. Once you've completed tasks one and two, come over to here, and when you click on it, again, the video is here just in case you want to watch it from here. It doesn't really matter. And then we have the Google form, which is going to ask you essentially what you're going to use. Are you going to use graph paper? Are you going to use GeoGebra? Are you going to use Desmos? And you're not locked in. If you change your mind throughout the project, that's totally fine. This is just an easy way for me to check in on you guys. So there's this. And then once you're ready to turn it in, so you've completed it, you've taken a picture of your work, or however you want to get it into a digital format, you're just going to set that up right here. Okay, you're going to add, and then whether it's a file that you already have on your computer, whatever you're going to use, you're going to attach it right here. And then when you're done attaching those two, you can just hit mark as done, and I'll start looking at it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you guys next time.